Hi lovelies! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing a subscription box, a premium subscription box, and this is from Toyl, Time of Your Life. So if you want to see what's inside in Toyl June 2022, just keep on watching. Before I start, lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing, subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes, and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. Today we're unboxing Toyl. It's quite late this month. But yes, I will still unbox this one. If you're new to this subscription box, this is a monthly premium beauty subscription box because it costs £39.99, and every month you will receive beauty premium products from skincare to makeup. And these subscription boxes, lovelies, they target more women over 40, but in my opinion, as I always said, in my opinion, this subscription box it's for all ages because I used every single product in this subscription box. And this subscription boxes also, lovelies, every 18th of the month they release the spoiler for next month, and you decide if you want to pause your subscription or continue with subscription box, because I think they took money every 19th of the month. So yes, if I forgot something, if I mistake something, all the info always will be in the description box below. So yes, I always do my spoiler lineup of the subscription box every month. So if you want to check it out, the next month spoiler, I will pop on the top in here or in the description box below. So yes, let's open this box. On the top of this box you have your booklet, and it says June 2022, welcome to your Toyl box. This month box is worth £145.40. Wow. And considering this box is only £39.99, it's a great box in my opinion. And it says our Platinum Jubilee Beauty Kings and Queens box showcases beauty's very own kings and queens who have created world-class brand and stunning products. And then it says Platinum Jubilee Beauty King and Queens. Well, it had to be, didn't it? I haven't managed to include all my favorites. Can you imagine what a box that will be? But I have included over £145 worth of bestsellers. And it says, yeah, I hope you love this box as these products are brilliant and perfect for you and me. Plus, there are discount codes this month to help get savings on full-size products at the brand's website. So get ready to celebrate so many amazing kings and queens of beauty this month and have a wonderful long weekend. Karen, which is the founder, the owner of Toyl. So yes, let's see each one. So you have your pink tissue paper, and also, lovelies, in this box they include the ingredients of the products inside, so which is a thumbs up for me. And then let's open it. I'm so excited. So the first product we have here, and this is my favorite, one of my favorite product, one of my favorite brands too. This is from Murad Hydration Intense Recovery Cream Soothing Moisturizer for face and eyes. So here we go, the outer packaging. And this one, lovelies, it's a full size, has 50 ml, and it's retail for £69. Just wow, 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 wow. So here is the inside packaging. I have one open in here, but I can't find it here because it's a mess in this room. But yes, I'm using this one, and at the moment it's wow. I really enjoy using it. I use it like 3 times, but those 3 times I really enjoyed using it. And this one, it says Dr. Howard Murad is a king because he was totally before his time. He realized that many of our skin challenges are related to stress and took a holistic approach to skincare right from the start. This product is clinically proven as a comforting cream for face and eyes, reducing the visible sign of stress-induced aging and redness. So it follows on the work of our April Color Correct box. And it says here also to massage evenly over clean face, neck, and chest, gently pat around the eye area. I usually use this one only on nighttime, because on the morning I usually use an SPF. But yeah, I really enjoy this one. So glad that I have another one in here. And this one, it's retail for $69. Wow, just wow. The other product we have here, another great brand, and this is from Kate Somerville. Oh, this is good. This is the Daily Deflector Mineral Sunscreen, broad spectrum SPF 30 high protection. And yes, this is the outer packaging. And let's see inside packaging. Oh, so fancy, so posh. So fancy the packaging. And it says here, apply liberally before sun exposure, reapply frequently to maintain protection, especially after perspiring, swimming, or toweling off. This is a must at the moment. I usually use an SPF 50 in summer and SPF 30 in winter time. It's a must at the moment. And it says Kate Somerville is a total beauty queen. She had a rough ride growing up. Her alcoholic mother left her with her dad at the age of 9, but it didn't hold her back. Self-belief and hard work led her to creating her own skincare range, packed with actives to produce incredible results. Oh, it's in the pump, which is a thumbs up. So yes, can't wait to try. And then I really like the packaging. And then the next one we have here, and I forgot love this. This is a full size. And the next one we have here, and this is from Origins, multi-powered youth serum. So here we go. And this one is only a sample size, a deluxe sample size. It has 15 ml, but this one, love this, it's retail for £20 and 10 pence, because as you may know, Origins products are quite expensive. And it says, one of our beauty king Origins was founded by William Lauder, beauty royalty indeed, as he is a relative of Estee Lauder and now the company's executive chairman. We can have a beauty kings and queens box without Lauder. I hope I pronounce it properly. So yes, and apply AM and PM on face, neck, and décolleté. Here is the product. And then the next one we have here, it's from Bumble and Bumble. This is the thickening plumping mask, volumizing in shower treatment, expand each hair strand for full on all day volume. Here we go. And this one has 30 ml, so I think this is just a travel size, and it's rated for £4 and 80 pence. And it says, we may not all have crowns, but this is for your very own crowning glory. See what I did there? Seamless this link. All day volume start with a mask. This lightweight in shower treatment powered by Umbilica, a technology plump strands from root to end for thicker, fuller, volumized look. After shampooing, apply from root to tip and massage in leave-on for 2 to 3 minutes, then rinse well. Air dry or blow dry. Ooh, never tried this one. So interesting. Definitely can't wait to try that one. And then the last product we have here, it's from Mavala Nail Color in the shade Cyber Silver, 996. And I think this is a full size. This one is retail for £5.50, and it says, this is a bit of Platinum Jubilee Weekend Fun. I love the color. I really love this silver color. And it says, paint, nail, or toast this fabulous shade of platinum. I know it says silver, to really enter the party spirit as we celebrate with family, friends, and neighbors the outstanding achievement of HM and the Queen's 70-year day. That and an extra day off. So cute. This is perfect size to bring with you everywhere too. So yeah, that's all for this month Toyl. Let's do a recap. So you will receive a full size product from Murad, the Hydration Intense Recovery Cream, which is I love. I really enjoy using at the moment. This Kate Somerville full size daily deflector mineral sunscreen. And then this one is very interesting. I'm really looking forward to try this. The Bumble and Bumble Thickening Plumping Mask. And then you will get also the Mavala in the shade Cyber Silver. And then you get also the Origins Multi-Powered Youth Serum. So yeah, that's all. Overall, lovelies, as I said, I really enjoyed receiving Toyl every month. Most of the time I use every single product in this box, and I think this month it's a great box. So if you want to purchase this box, lovelies, I have my referral code, which is JAYCA, JAYCA, and you get £5 off on your first box. And also, lovelies, you can, I think you can still get this box until 28th of the month. I could be wrong, but if you want this box, just put the note when you purchase this box that you want this month box to receive first. So yes, that's all for me, lovelies. What do you think of this month Toyl? Did you receive already? I think so. Just let me know in the comment below. So that's all for me, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I upload the video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye.